What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Brand Masika Reaction. Welcome. So, guys, it has been Jamaica and African affair. So, during the Jamaican Independence Day, Africa decided to show their love to the Jamaicans through some messages and best wishes. Here are some of the reaction of those people in different countries. So I want us to watch together this video and I'll come back with more comments. Remember, if it is for a very first time coming across any of my video, remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. So enjoy your viewing and I'll be back with more comment.
Independence Day. Jamaica. One love. Jamaica. One love. Jamaica. Out of many, one people. Out of many, one people. So guys, this video is dedicated to all my beautiful Jamaican people. I'm making this video ahead of time, but I'm going to post it, and it's intended for your Independent Day. A country that have lovely people, a country that's so green, so beautiful, with water bodies, like everything. I personally love Jamaica. I know the rest of the people do, but you guys have shown me so much love, so I find it very easy to celebrate you guys. And when do I find the right time to celebrate you guys if not your Independent Day? I dedicate this cake to my Jamaican people, the sponsors. I'm not going to mention the names, okay? I'm not going to mention the names, but I have two beautiful sisters that made me do this. There are a lot of things that I'm sure you have seen the other videos. And also, I'm dedicating it to my online Jamaican family. Guys, you know, someone sent me money. It's like, sis, I'm sending this money. I'm not going to tell you to what to do with it or to cook. Just do what you want and just know you have gained another Jamaican sister. Oh my God! You know yourself, sis. I'm not going to mention. So it's like I have people online, people that I can't meet, I can't hack, but this is the only way I can show you guys love. So I appreciate all of you so much. And again, to those of you that watch my videos, you might not have not donated any money to me, but you watching my videos, commenting positive and all that, I love you guys. I appreciate every Jamaican out there. As long as you have love to give and have love, like ready to receive love. So we are going to cut the cake. For your Independent, we can do another video of that.
Kenya, this is probably the funniest thing we see for the longest while. The teacher cartel. Boy, may I tell you, boy, Kenya fully Gaza. I'm sure if you tell Vibes that Kenya fully Gaza, he gonna answer like, I know. Check this.
Yo, Wagwan.
Wagwan, teacher. Big up yourself, teacher.
Yo, big up on yourself. So today me want to teach you about the alphabet. Starting off with letter A. A stand for awo. Somebody say awo.
Awo.
B is for bombo clat. A lot of them say B for boy, but we not rate no boy. B is for bombo clat.
Bombo class.
C is for clats. And where you get a new clats there, daddy?
Which color that? Class fitting
D is for dancehall. Cause a lot of get to you to make a life out of dancehall, so we rate dancehall. And we culture that.
Dancehall every day.
E is for east side.
East side.
Is that? And who that?
This one.
From today you're the prefect. F is for fully. You could have seen fully Gaza, fully vendetta, fully unruly, fully genocide. F is for fully.
Fully active.
G. Anybody want to take a guess what G stand for?
Gaza. Gully side.
Bully. You're not even ready for first grade. Anybody want to take a guess what G stand for?
Gangsta. Gallis.
That is it. G is for Gallis.
Gallis.
Yo, man, Gallis. From today, you're the prefect.
3 Jamaicans in Africa. Who said that? What are 5 Jamaicans in Africa? You good? What? Hey! Thank you! Yeah, we'll catch the snow in Africa. It's about time you come back home. Yeah, MSC. Carly.
And Wagwan, my Jamaican people. I'm Team Tessie. I'm here in Africa, Kenya. And here in Africa, Kenya, we love you so much. We love you so much. And somebody asked me about which country can be qualified to be the capital of the world. And I answered that guy that the country that qualifies to be capital of the world is Jamaica. And I tried out and explain to him about why I chose Jamaica to be the capital of the world. Number one is about the culture. You guys, you have a good culture. I love your really culture. I love reggae music. I love your comedy. Your comedy is so amazing. I have seen even Japanese also doing your comedy, speaking those Patois language, because here in Kenya we have a school of Patois language. People now can speak Patois language in our country, and that's made me to love your country, to love Jamaica. Jamaica is my home, because those are my brothers and sisters. And another thing, you guys, you have the best tourist center. And very soon I'm coming to Jamaica, and you guys just promise me the best place I can visit in Jamaica. One of my friends proposed to me to visit Kingston. So if you are in Kingston, guys, I love you so much. I love you so much. My admire is to visit Jamaica, because we have the strong relationship.
Bro, this is so fucking true. Ain't nobody love reggae music like South African uncles and aunties and the grandparents. They love that shit, bruv. I remember my second trip there. I went to Johannesburg and we rented this whole house. And it was about around 2 and something like that in the afternoon. And I went out on the balcony and the neighbors next to me, bruv. All I heard was, easy skanking it easy. Oh, pirates, yes, they rob by Buffalo Soldier. And I was like, wait, hold on, wait, what? And the mix, I was listening to the mix. It went on and on and on and on. So I was like, Jamaicans. We have some Jamaicans next to us. So we was going to go out, innit? So I was like, oh yeah, like, you mans. I was telling everybody. I was like, when we're going past, let's tell, like, you know, the neighbors hi in Jamaica. Bruv. We got out of this house, went up to their house, got to the gate. We saw it. It was two, like, older couple. Like, they looked like they were in, like, their 40s, 50s, 60s. So went up to them. I agreed to them in patois, bruv. I was like, why, go on, uncle? Like, I was chatting patois. Please tell me why. This man replied back to me in a South African accent. I said, hello, hi, excuse me. He's like, yes, I'm South African. It was two full South African uncle and aunties, bruv. And they were in the front garden dancing the fuck like ain't nobody's business. And then, you know, the funny thing is, like, you will go into, like, certain areas and you'll just hear them be beating reggae, bruv. It's not a joke. I think Bob Marley performed in South Africa one time, bruv. I can't remember. But, bruv, they love that shit. I don't think Jamaican people appreciate reggae music the way they do. They love that shit.
Do you know there's something that I've picked up, right? When going through people's comments about Africa, about the development of Africa, about Africans coming together as a collective, about BRICS, etc., you know, and how it will benefit Africa. And there is a specific group of people that consistently, if you go through the comments, are there. And this is me giving them a shout out for constantly and always being supportive of Africa. And these are the Jamaicans. Without fail, under anything positive or anything negative about Africa, you will find Jamaicans supporting Africa, standing up for Africa, and just being part of the conversation and always saying that we are one. So this is me saying thank you.
Yeah, me I tell you, me nah lie. Me I tell you the truth. I'm a Kenyan. Kenyan me born and grown. Kenyan me born and grow. See? I come from one part of Kenya when named Nairobi. I'm born and grow in a one garrison named Dandora. And that's where I grow from me a little picnic scene. But from me was little, me love listen to Jamaican music. Me love watch Jamaican artists a perform. Me love to watch Jamaican movie. And when me hear how Jamaicans attack, me go research, learn how to pronounce the words and everything. See? And that's how I learn the Jamaican accent and the Jamaican patois. See? But me not lie. I'm not a Jamaican. I'm a Kenyan. See? Respect.
So guys, I hope you have watched this. It is clearly that the the chemistry between African and the Jamaicans is so cool, and it's something that undeniable. So it is it is Africa decided that Jamaica is their child in growing. So all the support, all the culture and everything they do, they do as they support Jamaican. And Jamaicans too don't take it just for granted. They have that giving hand too. They give back and they say the African people deserves to be appreciated so much. So guys, a lot of Africa have been learning the Jamaican language, the patois, the famous language patois. So in some of the videos you have seen, even people from Kenya, my country where I come from, they're eagerly showing up their love to the Jamaicans. They have adopted the culture and the accent too. So this is a big turn up to African Jamaica to due to their coordination and their bonding. It is something that you can't deny. So you can see when someone slaps you and copies you, it means whatever you are doing is good and whatever it's going on, it's great. So remember, Jamaica has been having, not even having, has got a lot of talents. But the major talents in there is the music. Music, it's something that you can't deny Jamaica has. Jamaica has got a lot of talent, young talent in the music, even in the athletics. So Jamaica is really dominating in everything. So that people are really eager, linking up with Jamaica. Everyone just, let's be specific. Everyone in Africa says that you just want to be in Jamaican land. So guys, my brothers and sisters back in there in the Caribbean, we as African people, as blacks, your brothers too, we love you too. We appreciate the effort that you're making. You don't take our love for granted. You just appreciate us. So in a many times you see people like they copy the Jamaican culture due to the, you see they came up with that idea that dressing code, when you find in some public service vehicles or even in the private vehicles that people own, you find they have just printed their Jamaican artists. They have printed their shirts, Bob Marley, Vibes Cartel, America, Jamaican flag. So you see, it is that's something that the influential is something that you cannot deny. It is on another level that the love from Africa is just something good. Remember, before the Jamaicans were in Africa, whatever happened is that the slavery during the colonial system regime, that's the time they took them, and they were separated from us. But truly, Jamaica are part of Africa. Yeah, biologically and umbilically. So we've got so many reaction of people appreciating Jamaica from Africa, and from Jamaica too. They really appreciating the love back. It is something that we cannot deny, and it is something on another level that we keep on pushing this thing. That let's continue supporting whatever our ancestors started, and whatever it's going on between us and Jamaica. So Jamaica, we are one. You continue being with us. So I'll have to check some of your comments. You see, someone here says that, yeah, for me, I would like to visit Jamaica. I have just been hearing stories from Jamaica, so I would like to visit Jamaica one day. Uh-huh. Another one says that, yeah, I personally love the Jamaican music and the Jamaican concert. Whenever any of the Jamaican artists attends or is invited in our concert, I don't miss that concert. I have to go and see that good, awesome music from the Jamaican. Another one says that reggae music has been part of my therapies, and I'm really in love with Jamaica. So Jamaica to the world. Wow. Another one says that my dream is to visit Jamaica one day, one time, God willing, so that I can meet my brothers and sisters in the Caribbean. Another one says that I have been to Africa and Jamaica, but the love between Africa and Jamaica, it is something else. Another one says that, yeah, the dream to Jamaica has finally come through. I have just landed to the Kingston town, and everything here is it sounds so good, perfectly. I'm glad to be in Jamaica. So guys, here you have heard some. So keep on. What's your experience too, or what's your take on this story? Personally, I have just said, given a chance, I'll visit my Jamaican people, my brothers and sisters. Remember, the Jamaicans people, they are being widely promoted in Africa because they come in Africa and perform, and their performance is really good, and it is being loved by Jamaican, by African. So as a result of being loved, you see, they get a lot of money when they come to perform. So a good example, it is like the Luciano currently, he is in Kenya performing. He has a live concert, and a lot of people says they have to turn up and listen to his music. So guys, that's all for now. Let's keep on supporting each other, my brothers in the Caribbean. Greetings and greetings, good people. So let's continue supporting each other. And remember to like, share, subscribe. Till next time, one love, wagwan. God bless.